is a tale of long ago. The land was full of dragons. They were big and men did run. Being on fire was not much fun. The villagers were a buffet. Large stomachs groaned and moaned away. All you can eat and then some more. When beasts got full and left us alone. Scatter, flee, and escape. To live to fight another day. Run, run, don't be slow. Or be like a flaming marshmallow. Dragons never joined a pack, just solitary, that's a fact. Good thing for us or we'd all be snacks.
What's up, you guys, and welcome back to the Stoner Degree. Let's get started. Today we got this sirloin tips, very thin steak. So today we are going to be cooking this up. I'm not going to reveal the price of how much we paid for it, but yeah, let's get started. Okay, now I'm going to season with salt. Okay guys, now that we have these seasoned, we're going to put them on a flame for a little while over the stove, and we should have them done. Here I have the steak already cut up, and I'm going to put it in this bowl. So we're going to add this in now, guys. Take your beef, just sprinkle it into your bowl. And so now we're going to season it up. I'm going to season it with salt, pepper, garlic powder, and soy sauce. You don't want too much salt on it because the soy sauce is going to add a little bit more of that salt content that you'll need. And final step, garlic powder. Mix it in with your hands and incorporate all the ingredients together so that they have a nice even coating all the way around. And that's how you season it, guys. We're going to kind of do it a Korean style here. We're going to be cooking on a cast iron pan. It should take about 10 or 15 seconds depending on how thick your meat is really going to be. But we're going to be doing this like a bulgogi style. So let's get started on that. Like I said, I want to have a quick sear on it for about 10 to 15 seconds depending on how long you let your marinade sit and how long you want the meat to be well done, medium, or rare. It all depends on that, guys. So let me show you what I do. I take a piece of the beef, I lie it down, And I just let it cook on that side for a few seconds. So and then you put it on your plate after you're done with it and just repeat the process. And I'll cook the rest of this and then show you guys what it all looks like after. I have the steak done. We're just going to plate it up on some bread and other stuff to go along with it. And then we should be done, guys, and we'll get to the eating part.
Hey everybody, what's up? Sorry for not putting the food review part of the video up. We didn't get around to actually filming it. We got a little bit sidetracked and everything. We're sorry about that. But the food was phenomenal. It was great like always. We still hope this video helped you or that you were entertained by it in some way. So yeah, again, sorry about that and all that. So have a good day. Love you guys. Peace out.
Army of dragons will surely win. Companies of noblemen it took to slay a hydra then, but they were so huge and powerful, the costly battles lasted long. Scatter, flee, and escape to live to fight another day. Run, run, don't be slow or be like a flaming marshmallow. The townsfolk would pay all their gold to rid the land of evil, told by hired swords with young and old.